What's up, Goldies? We are back with another golden video, and today we are going to vibe out and ask people some questions. So let's get into it.
And if you hear this and then go and bend your back, go and bend your knees.
We have a special guest on my channel, Mikaela, and my camera guy. Who am I here with today?
Mr. Kylo.
Okay, do you have an Instagram?
Mr. Kylo Neil. That's my
Okay.
Instagram.
So how would you rate yourself from 1 to 10?
Yo, 100.
100. Okay, and how do you think other people would rate you?
So 10, 9, 7, there around.
Okay, so who am I here with today?
I'm Talano.
Okay, do you have an Instagram?
My Instagram is master/fast.
Okay, so how would you rate your outfit from 1 to 10?
8 out of 10.
Okay, how do you think other people would rate you from 1 to 10?
Maybe like a 7 or a 6.
Who am I here with today?
Dinzo.
Do you have an Instagram?
It's Dinzo_08.
Okay, so how would you rate your outfit from 1 to 10?
So, solid 6. 6, 7.
Okay, so how would you rate this people? How would you rate their outfit?
There's potential. Like, I'll give it a solid 5.
Hi. Who am I here with today?
With Asive, Amahle.
Okay, so how would you rate your outfit from 1 to 10?
I think I rate myself 8,
Okay, and you?
10 over 10.
10. Okay, so how do you think other people would rate your outfit from 1 to 10?
Maybe a 9, I think. 8.
8. How do you rate this person's outfit from 1 to 10?
5. 5 over 10. I think a 7.5.
Okay, so who am I here with today?
Julie.
Josh.
Okay, so do you have an Instagram?
I do. It's Julie_Mayring with 2 G's.
And you?
Josh_Cox for 12.
Okay, so you rate your outfit from 1 to 10. How would you rate it?
Like a 7. It's pretty boring, but it's pink for Valentine's Day, so I had to, you know.
Okay, and how would you think other people would rate it?
Probably like a 6 or 7. No, like a 7 as well. It's good, but it's basic.
Okay. And you?
4.
You yourself. Would you?
4 because like I don't dress. I only dress for comfort.
And how would you think other people would rate your outfit?
2.
So how would you rate their outfit from 1 to 10?
Both of them combined or like individually?
Individual.
Okay, so the one with the stripy shirt, like a 3. It's not my style. I'm not very into like crop tops and I don't know, not stripes, but otherwise the jeans are fine and the shoes. I don't like black shoes. And then the other one, like a 6. It's basic, you know, it's fine.
Okay. And you?
Now me personally, I rate a year fuck. I rate the stripes a solid 6. I don't know why, just a 6. And then the New York one, the 8 because it's New York, but she doesn't know how to style, so it's okay.
So am I here with today?
My name is Sasha. And my name is Gailey.
Okay, so what's your Instagram?
My name is Sasha_Gracie.
Sorry.
Sasha_Gracie. Gailey.Mailey09.
Okay, so if you you rate your outfit from 1 to 10, how would you rate it?
I would rate it like a 7.5.
Okay, and you?
I rate it like a solid 8.
Okay. How do you think other people would rate your outfit?
I think they rated maybe 8 because I'm confident in that. Yeah, I think they rate me a 7.
7. Okay, so how would you rate the outfit from 1 to 10?
I really like the girl's outfit. She really ate on that. The guy, he looks more on the simpler side, so I would give the girl an 8 and the guy maybe a 6.
And you?
I agree with her, and I probably give the girl a 9 and the guy 7.
Who am I here with today?
Alicia.
Leslie. Okay, so do you have an Instagram?
No. Tanya Leslie.
Okay, so if you would rate your outfit from 1 to 10, what would it be?
7.
How do you think other people would rate your outfit from 1 to 10?
7.
If you would rate your own outfit from 1 to 10, how would you rate it?
5.
Do you think other people would rate your outfit from 1 to 10? Yeah, but okay. So, how would you rate the outfit from 1 to 10?
4 out of 10.
4.
6.
Do you want to explain why or not?
Van mine, as this is like all rated in like a bra strip stick uit. And it's gonna possibly die color nie. Yeah.
And you?
Ik weet die is net 'n 6, want it's like a medium.
Both of them.
Yeah.
Okay, so who am I here with today?
Dis al Palesa, Tamo,
So, what's your Instagram?
Tayboy, the Chloe, Tamo 951.
Okay, so if you would rate yourself from 1 to 10, your outfit, how would you rate it?
Probably a 8,
And how do you think other people would rate it?
a 7,
7. If you would rate your own outfit from 1 to 10, how would you rate it?
a 9.5, 6.
How do you think other people would rate it?
Probably a 8,
A 9. How would you rate the outfit from 1 to 10?
a 10, 10.
10. Okay, do you guys want to say why you saying a 10?
They're very beautiful and the outfits are very cute. It's classic and tea. I love their outfits.
So, who am I here with today?
Jaden.
Shanae.
Okay, do you have an Instagram?
Yes. Sharky underscore 011.
Jaden Jansen _
Okay, so if you would rate your own outfit from 1 to 10, how would you rate it?
I would rate my outfit a nice little, I say 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10. And how would you think other people would rate your outfit?
I would say around there, 7 or 8.
Okay, and how would you rate your outfit from 1 to 10?
I'd say like a 7 or an 8.
And how would you think other people would rate it?
It depends on their style, but I think like maybe 7. Like 7 over there.
Okay, so how would you rate the outfit from 1 to 10?
That girl, I honestly like all the outfits. 7, 8, and 7.5.
And you?
This one is I would say a 7, and I think this is a 6. This is I would say a 7 as well.
Okay, so am I here with today?
I'm Haley.
And do you have an Instagram?
Yes, it's Loves for Haley.
Okay, so if you would rate your own outfit, how would you rate it from 1 to 10?
I'd give it like a 6 out of 10.
A
You know?
6.
Yeah, because like not a lot of people like that dark kind of clothing.
And how do you think other people would rate it?
Give it like a 5 because like not a lot of people like this kind of style.
And how would you rate the outfit from 1 to 10?
Okay, I'd rate his like a rough 4 out of 10, and I rate hers like a 10 because like it's similar to mine.
Okay, do you want to say why you...
The color combination, it's nice. That one's nice, you know, colors complement each other. That one, I don't like the color with the shirt with the jeans.